In the modern era, where the sky is the most brutal battlefield, one name is constantly being hailed as the best, even dubbed the king of the skies. It's not the F-22 Raptor, not the F-35 Lightning II, but the Dassault Rafale, a French-made multi-role fighter jet that seems to have it all. In the modern era, where the sky is the most brutal battlefield, one name is constantly being hailed as the best, even dubbed the king of the skies. It's not the F-22 Raptor, not the F-35 Lightning II, but the Dassault Rafale, a French-made multi-role fighter jet that seems to have it all. To understand why the Rafale is so unique, we have to go back to the 1980s. At that time, European nations like the UK, Germany, Italy, and France realized they needed a new fighter jet to replace their aging fleets. They agreed to develop one joint project. That's how the Eurofighter Typhoon project was born. However, along the way, France had a different vision. They wanted a more flexible aircraft, capable of operating from an aircraft carrier, and truly independent of other countries' technology. Ultimately, France pulled out of the Eurofighter project and chose to develop its own aircraft. This was the birth of the Rafale. This decision was a huge gamble. On one hand, France had to bear the entire development cost on its own. On the other, they had complete freedom to create a fighter jet that perfectly met their needs. And the result of that gamble, a masterpiece. Many call it Generation 4.5. It's not a full-fledged fifth generation like the F-22, but it's far more advanced than fourth-generation jets like the F-16. It's the perfect technological bridge. This is the Rafale's main secret. Its avionics system, called SPECTRA, not only combines data from various sensors like the AESA radar, the OSF infrared sensor, and the missile warning system, but also processes it into one cohesive picture that is easy for the pilot to understand. The pilot doesn't have to sift through data. All critical information is integrated and displayed intuitively in the cockpit. The Rafale is designed with canard small wings at the front that provide extreme maneuverability, especially at low speeds. However, it also has a better level of stealth than other 4.5 generation jets. It's not full stealth like the F-22, but Dassault uses radar-absorbent materials and a minimal reflection design to make it harder to detect. But all this advanced technology means nothing if it isn't tested in battle, and the Rafale has proven itself. Since its first deployment in Afghanistan in 2007, the Rafale has participated in various combat operations around the world. From precision bombing missions in Libya, reconnaissance missions in Mali, to intense combat against ISIS in Iraq and Syria. In every mission, the Rafale has returned successful. It has proven that it can operate in the most challenging environments, day or night, and in any weather.